Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest here with me today, and you can see, oh, first of all, her name is Courtney. This is my friend Courtney, my best friend.
I don't matter.
So we are filming 2 videos today. We actually did the no mirror, obviously we have makeup, the no mirror makeup challenge, and it was interesting, to say the least. If you want to see this talented bestie of mine, then go over to Courtney Tate. She will have 2 other videos by the time this is posted, right?
Yes!
Alright, anyways, if you guys want to see how we got these amazing makeup looks, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so we are just gonna dive into this, and yeah, we're just gonna do our normal makeup routines, but just with no mirrors.
No mirrors. You're just gonna go on in with that primer.
It kind of smells like a grandma, but like not in a bad way, like in a like sweet way.
Yeah, like, oh, that's my grandma.
Yeah.
What foundation are you using?
The NARS. Oh, twins.
What shade are you?
L3.
Yours doesn't have a name?
It does, but I'm gonna say it.
It feels so good on my face because my face is so hot right now. I don't know what's happening.
Really? I'm not hot anymore. I'm kind of cold. Because that window's open, probably. Shady bee. Trying to freeze out the competition.
Take that down the neck because we all know it's way too dark for me.
Okay, I'm going in with concealer.
What are you using?
NARS. What is this one? What is it called? I don't remember. Oh, here it is. Radiant Creamy Concealer. I really am liking NARS
Really?
face products right now. Yeah.
I know, I saw your Get Ready With Me on your Insta the other day.
Yeah.
And like a lot of it was NARS.
Yeah, this concealer is really good. It doesn't crease at all.
Really?
I feel like I always have trouble with that, and this one does not crease at all. NARS is just doing the dang thing.
Okay. Well, oh god, dude, I don't even know where I'm putting this. I'm going with Tarte Shape Tape.
Alright, just blending my concealer out here. What? What? You shady. I told you I was just gonna be shady.
I feel like I'm just gonna keep blending and blending, but then I'm gonna blend too much and then it's just gonna be gone. Anything except for this eyes, just stop judging.
I'm not judging. I'm just looking at you. You're just so pretty. Okay. Going in with Airspun. I use this on my clients a lot. And like everybody is always like, this feels so good on my face.
It really does. That one kind of smells like a grandma too.
It smells a lot like a grandma. No offense to any grandmas watching this, we love you.
Oh, you're doing your bronzer?
Yeah.
I always do my brows after I set my face. I don't know why.
That's random. I'm going in with the Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced. My favorite. This is where it's gonna go brown.
Oh.
This
is.
is.
Okay, so I'm about to do my brows. God, this part is what's stressing me out so bad. Okay, I'm scared.
I'm scared for you.
This is really? Okay.
Especially like, cause, oh my god.
This is where it's gonna
You're so intense right now.
We need to make it darker at the end so that it blends.
Whatever you say, girl.
It's bad because like I barely have any brow hair anyway, so like I'm basically feeling my.
I feel like you have like quite a bit of brow.
They're just very light.
Yeah.
Like.
I'm going in with the e.l.f. blush palette. It has in my hair, but I'm not looking at it. I'm gonna do the light pink one.
I'm still working on these brows.
This is honestly my heart is like why am I so nervous?
Actually, you know what? After the brows, I'm kind of just like, this is where we're at. This is what we're
honestly,
doing.
Your brows have never looked better. I've never. You know, actually, the first day of hair school, your brows looked so much better. No, they didn't, y'all. same, so I could say that to you because mine were just as bad. You have beautiful brows. No. I'm making up for it.
Sorry, I don't breathe when I do my brows.
I like don't know.
Just feel. And then,
How are we doing?
not bad actually.
Really? It's bad? I can tell
No,
by
it's
your
not,
face.
I promise. What the heck?
Really?
Yeah, you're acting like mine is like the worst thing.
It's not the worst. No, it's not the worst thing, but I just know how particular you are about your brows and you're gonna hate yourself. This is the worst part. Like, this is not fun.
Okay, we're gonna just fade that. Go in with number 7 bronzer in caramel.
Going in with the Laura Geller highlight in Gilded Honey. It's my favorite.
What is it?
The Gilded Honey from Laura Geller.
Huh.
It's the bomb. It's so pretty.
How does your makeup look good right now?
Does it look good?
Yeah.
You know, just so profesh. Looks good too. Look, your face makeup, your brows are just a little bit janky. No offense.
I think you need more brows actually.
Do I?
This one's just a lot bigger than this one.
I know. I thought that. Okay, I'm gonna fix that then. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my translucent powder to over my concealer that I did on my eyes.
Oh my God. What did you do?
You told me to make it thicker.
Where's your eyebrow?
Is it bad? Don't tell me. I'll just...
Okay, so I'm going in with my blush. It's the Wet n Wild blush.
I like that.
Yeah, I really like this color.
With the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Girl, going in.
Oh yeah.
Do something fun.
Okay. Like what?
Like at least like a fun shimmer shade or...
Okay. I mean, do you think I'm not fun? I feel like you...
I'm just saying don't do neutral.
I'm going to start with the transition shade. I'm going to start with this, like, kind of orangey, mustardy color. I'm just going to put that in my face here.
Can I use your highlighting brush?
Yeah, it's right there.
I can't find one.
Dang.
Did you ever watch Stranger Things?
No.
What? Oh, it is so good. If anyone out there has not seen Stranger Things, go watch it. It is so good, dude.
Lying.
I'm going to use the Tartelette and Bloom. And then I'm going to use Smarty Pants as the transition shade.
Okay. Now I'm going to go in with a, like, cranberry color. There. And I'm just going to put that on my outer corners here. Am I looking?
It's pretty good.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
What
It
do you-
really is.
You have judgmental eyes.
No, it's actually really good.
Your highlight looks really good. What'd you use?
Mary Illuminated.
Oh yeah, I love that. Never fails me.
Yeah.
It looks like a mess. You just gave it away.
So I'm then going to go in with, we're going to go in with Rebel on the Tartelette and Bloom.
Going with the Ardell 811 lashes. They're the faux mink ones. Lash accelerator. I don't want to say the name of it because Courtney makes fun of me, so you're just gonna have to live with that. Okay, this is weird to do.
Okay, so I'm going in with my second lash. Gonna let this dry.
Oh, Winston's crying.
This lash is a lot harder than the other one.
Honestly, like my eyes feel so itchy after that. Am I allergic to that or what's happening? Woo! I poked myself in the eyeball or something. I don't know.
Oh, I just ripped that off. I got stuck.
I'm so what?
Basic right now.
What? Do you want me to go in something else?
Yes. I have a purple for you.
I actually really like that color though.
That's really pretty. I have some lip liners here as well. Oh, there's more
I don't
colors.
use lip liners.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You have already luscious big lips, don't you?
Ooh, this is pretty, this gloss.
Okay. But you gotta put a bright color on top.
Ooh, I'll do it really dark. Is that too much of a commitment?
No. Go in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with my liquid liner.
Oh god.
And hide that band.
Good.
I actually feel like that wing looks kind of good. Does it look good?
It's actually really not that bad.
I felt it. Like, I felt it in my soul that it was,
Yeah, that.
it was gonna be okay.
Honestly, it looks like, yeah.
Really?
You have one little hole right here, further out. Ooh, there you go. Perfect. Yeah, girl. I can't believe you did liner. Now I feel like I have to do liner.
You kind of do.
I never do.
You're just gonna look like a little. I mean,
This is really sticky. I've never used hers before. Oh, this is by Kylie Cosmetics, Coco.
oh, that's me.
Oh, it's called Gorge, but it's her. You know, you all know what I'm saying, right? You know. Like, my
Yeah,
lips
it's
are
really
glued
sticky.
together.
It's sticky.
Ow. It's rough.
Yeah. Oh, I had more colors in here too. You gonna go over with this?
Mm-hmm.
That matches.
This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream.
I think I'm gonna do a neutral lip.
Are you serious? I will literally
Okay.
kill you.
I'll do red, even though it's not gonna match.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
What?
You told me to do a bold eye. That's why I was gonna do a neutral lip.
Oh, this is a commitment with red and overdrawing.
Honestly, Courtney, this is so bad. I'm so upset. This just ruined my look. I told you it was too much of a commitment. I told you. I told you.
Let me see.
I told you it was too much of a commitment. I'm so upset. I have like no sense of it. Like I'm just.
Well, I definitely just went way too far over with this side.
I'm digging this. Though.
Look at this. I feel like I was doing good.
It's actually not. No.
Okay. That feels pretty good.
That feels amazing on my lips. Wow.
The Kylie Cosmetics and the is that how they say it? But they like roll their tongue.
Oh. Oh yeah, that is a.
Try it.
No. I will not.
Okay. I feel like I'm way too pale for this look that I did.
If you don't stop calling yourself pale, you're making me feel really bad about myself. I'm about 3 shades lighter than you. You look so good with the bold lip, and I feel like you don't rock that anymore.
I don't. I never do.
Honestly, dude, yours is so good. I'm so upset.
Really?
It's so good.
I'm pretty pumped.
I'm just staring at you. Like so.
I know, the pressure's really on. I think we're done. Oh, that's how you do. Oh, that's how you do?
Well, that's all you do. But that's not a lot at all.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Okay. Well, okay. You could see where I was going with the
What happened to my top lip?
Oh my god, it's not there.
Where did all the lipstick go? Can they see that? I have no lipstick on my top lip, just liner. I think we did pretty good.
Oh my god, yours is so much better than mine.
I don't think so.
You know it is, but you're trying to be nice.
If you guys liked this video, go ahead and head over to my channel because we did another challenge video that's going to be just as fun that I'm also just as nervous about. It's the 5-minute makeup challenge, which she's always faster than me at doing her makeup anyways. But that's okay because I did so much better than her at this challenge.
That's true. She wins this one.
Courtney won, so far Molly 0.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. I don't know why I said but redo.
Take 3. Oh, I'm getting old, Sally. I'm getting old. He's like being really loud on this video.
Okay. I'll get him to shut up.
Oh gosh.
That's so aggressive.
That's scary.
Don't